See, I'm not really here. I'm actually everywhere. There's no beginning, there's no end. The eternal presence. Okay? The eternal presence. It is eternally present. I was trying to figure out how the Taurus energy is created the other day. And I realized that we are all just focus points. What do I mean by that? The eternal presence, if it is eternally present, that means there is nowhere to go. There's no going within. Because in order to go within means there has to be something to measure that going within against, which would be the without. But if we are talking about nothingness, 0 point, stillness, pure potential, that means there's no within, there's no without, there's just that right there, like nothing, right? So all I can do as the source, the only thing I can really do is focus my energy, just focus my consciousness on what? On anything. Actually, no, not on anything, but on myself. Since I, as the source, am the only actual thing the only real eternal thing. Whenever I focus my awareness, I create gravity. Now, if you can imagine the ocean, and then there are specific nodes in that ocean where let's call it vortices or vortex, okay, spirals. The stronger and more water, for this example, that's in a specific node or vortex or spiral, the more solid it's going to appear. The more information it's going to receive, the more sentient it is going to become. This is what we are doing as source. We are all pinpoints or specific frequency resonance focus points of the source. So the soul is that conglomeration of that focused energy. Now, remember, there's nowhere for the source to go. There's nothing for the source to really create. But as it focuses in itself, of itself, and through and by itself, it creates resonance, vibration, harmony, frequency. It is the accumulation of this energy that creates the soul. But remember, a soul is not really a thing. A soul isn't a being. A soul is a focus point. It's a vortex. It's where or by which source has decided to focus its energy, thereby creating a node or a nexus point of itself, a densification of itself. So this is how souls are created. Souls are not a being. This is the creation of a soul. A soul is created and it grows over time with different experiences. So okay, we have the creation of the soul.